Okay, there's a temp sitting at like 290 degrees. Pop this open. You can see the smoke billowing. I gotta move it back. Alright. Hear that? Alright. Hi girls. You know, you could be quieter for me. Alright, now I'm going to dump the grease out of this little booger. Oh, figures. Alright. Here's how I clean it. That gets really nice and cool in a couple of seconds, and then you can just get rid of it. Tip this up. You can see grease down there. Now that'll all dry up in the 300 degree, 400 degree heat this thing grabs and turn into dust, but I clean it with oven cleaner. Okay.